In our last video, we deployed NUXT3 app on DigitalOcean. If you haven't checked that video, go check it now. You can find link in description. In this video, we will discuss NUXT3 routing with examples so that it's easy to understand for everyone. According to NUXT documentation, NUXT uses a file system based router. So let's first go to NUXT website. And let's click on get started and go to routing section. So here we can see every view file inside pages directory creates a corresponding URL or route that displays the contents of file. So according to this, we need to create a pages directory, and inside the pages directory, the files that we will create will determine the types of route that will be generated. So let me first open my code editor. And here I have my old project where I created a simple NUXT app to deploy on DigitalOcean. So I will be using this same project for creating the routes. So first I will create a pages directory so that we can create some files in it. So here I have my pages directory, and this is my app.view file. So when we are creating a page directory, we also need to create a NUXT page component. So let's create a NUXT page component in our app.view. And next, let's create a very simple page. Let's name it about.view. And we need to put template tags in about.view file. And now if we run the application, so to run the application we have to fire this command. This command I have also showed in my previous tutorial. Let the app get compiled. So Nitro build is running. So it's showing 404. Okay, so I think a few more things we need to do. which we missed. We also need to create a index.view file. The index.view file is like a landing page, and we can write home. And now let's see, I think we need to build the app once again. Yeah, so now it's working. And now if we try the about route, we can see about us, so it's navigating correctly. So let's check out the documentation, what it says further. So if we want to use a navigation menu, we can use NUXT link. So let's copy this code and use it in our app.view. So this is our home page, and this is about us page. And now we can see that the menu bar is showing. Right now we are not bothered about the CSS and formatting, so let's just concentrate on the routing part. So now if I click on home, it's going to home, and when I click on about, it's going to about us. So this is the simplest type of route that we can use and we can implement in NUXT3. Now let's take another example. Suppose we want to create a e-commerce application and we want to use some nested routes in that application. So suppose we want to show the show categories of different products. So for that we will create a category directory. And just to let you know that NUXT3 allows us the usage of dynamic routes. So to create the dynamic route, we will put the category directory name inside a bracket. I think here we don't have to use bracket because category directory won't be dynamic. So inside this category directory we will use two dynamic parameters. So let's make these two dynamic like this. So this folder name will be cat id, and this will go inside bracket like this, and inside cat id, we will create a file. Now this one will have bracket. Or I think more suitable will be product, because inside no, I think this is the right thing. So yeah, so we have inside pages we have category directory, and inside category directory we have the dynamic category id, and inside category id we have category dynamic category dot view file. And now let's see the type of route that is created. Again we have to add the template tags. In category view file, and let's add some text to it. So this text looks suitable. Maybe we have to compile the app once again, and before compiling the before building the app, let's add a link for our new route. So the link will be something like this: category, and let's give any random id. Let's say it's 1 2 3, and a slug, maybe smart switch. And let's change this text to category. And now we can go ahead and test this link. So it's displaying the test category wise product. Let's go back to home, about, category. So you can see that how this parameters, that is the id and the slug, was used by the dynamic routing feature of NUXT3. Let's make things little bit more complex, and this time we will use something like this. So just below category we will add a product link, and our product link will be something like this. So category id, and let's keep this slug, and after slug there will be product and the product id, maybe 234, and a slug for the product, maybe Shelly 1, the name of the smart switch. So in order to make this route or link work, we have to make some changes to in fact we have to add some directories. So this is the file and this is so here we have to add one dynamic directory to create the dynamic route, that is the directory with brackets. So let's do it. And inside this directory we will add one normal directory, that is without bracket, name product, and inside this directory we will add again a dynamic directory or directory with brackets. We can just name it ID or maybe product ID. I'm just giving it name ID for the sake of simplicity. And inside this ID we can use we will create a file with name bracket product bracket closed dot view, and inside this file again we will add the template tag, and let's change the text so that we can distinguish this page. Okay, so I think we are now ready to test this. And now if we click on product, we are getting 404. Maybe we have made some mistakes. So URL is category 123 smart switch category, and then product. So here we have category ID, after that category slug, which is dynamic, okay, I think I'm not able to find anything wrong. So let's try to make few changes. First of all, let's restart the server and see if this can bring any difference. So the code is building, and let's see once the build is complete. Oh yes, so the build is complete. Still it's not working correctly, but I think I got what's the issue. Maybe we have to rename this. I think the name for this directory and this file is same. I think that's causing the issue. Let's name it product category. And let's once again rebuild the app. Okay, so the build is complete. Okay, yes, so now it's working. So if you see, it's working perfectly now. If we click on product, it's showing the content of product view file, and if we are clicking on category, we are getting the content of category.view file, and you can see the routes are also working as per our requirement. This is the category ID, this is the category slug, and this is the product just a word for the route, and then inside it is inside the 234 ID is inside product, and this Shelly one is inside 234 ID. So the nesting is perfect, and this is the power of NUXT3. So how conveniently, just by creating the directories, we created the route. And this is pretty much like, once you are done with this, you will easily be able to create complex routes just by creating the directories. So I hope you found the video informative. Please do subscribe to our channel for more such videos. We will be doing more videos on NUXT, and we will be building some good applications, the NUXT based applications. So please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye. Check out calsob.com for home automation products at reasonable price. Link in description.